There, finally it's on record mode.
Concert from Joshua.
Yeah.
Sounds like wind chimes.
It does. Now if you hit just these, it'll all sound like wind chimes. That's all you hit.
I'm listening to top
Budding
ones. I'm
musician
listening to top
here.
ones, too.
Watch out.
I want to reach these bigger ones down here. You like the big
Oh,
ones?
that's better.
The loud ones.
Got better color now.
They're harder to push at this end. You have to be stronger.
Those bells fun.
You got 6. Ooh, you've got some molars.
Yeah.
When's his birthday?
September.
So he'll be 2 in September? I have a grandson who turns 2 in July. So he's just a little bit younger than my grandson. Ooh.
That wind's strong.
Feels good up here.
Yeah, it does.
Pretty fun age. Okay, buddy.
Okay, all done.
All
We say
done.
bye-bye, bells?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.